Alright, this is another update on the snowstorm. Yep, this is a 6:30 update. See, you can barely see anything. I don't think snow over here. Wow. Anyway, yep. I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but the land poles are like blowing around. Look, there comes a car driving in the snow. Yep. See, you can barely see anything out here. Yep, you can barely see anything from here. Wait. Now look, as you can see, really still should be out here. See, the windows are the window view from the front yard is not bad. So you can see it, but that's because of the lights. You can see those stuff's crashing up there. You can barely see stuff's crashing. But see, it is just about 6:30. The last update was an hour and a half ago. Anyway, it's already evening, so yep. So it's already dark outside, and it is still snowing, and the snow will pretty much be going by tomorrow. Yep. So I really hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for some more updates coming soon. So I hope you guys like this video, and we're clear. Bye.